same sheet that we were doing. We did 10, 11 last class. And this is problem number 12. So please read this problem. Again, since we don't have time, I just focused on what you will have on exam. Withdrawal, I'll ask a bonus method question. And that's what we are going to do. Final exam, not final, the exam 3 will be exactly like this. We actually don't call it final because it's equally weighted. Rather, we call the project that you're going to do during the final week. But this one, I'm just mentioning you need to do the bonus method and practice this one. So again, write it down. Bonus method. And the new point we just learned is to redefine the ratio. Redefine the ratio. So, for example, we'll see here how we can redefine it. And let's check who is leaving, who is retiring. You have 3 partners, Allen, Barnes, and Costello. PL ratio. Before leaving a partner, Allen got 20%, Barnes got 30%, Costello got 50%. Right, that's their PL ratio. Now, who is leaving? Costello wants to leave the business and pay $100,000. Now look at what is Costello's capital. His capital is 90,000, but when he's leaving, he receives 100,000. So this difference, we call it bonus. This $10,000 bonus. Right, bonus method is actually simpler than the goodwill one. You need to do less steps. Now you have to check who is paying bonus, who is receiving bonus. Of course, Costello is receiving bonus. He is getting $10,000 extra on top of his capital balance. So who's going to pay the bonus? The remaining partners will pay the bonus. Allen and Barnes. Now the issue is how we will allocate this bonus. And here comes the new learning. You need to redefine the ratio, and we'll do it in a fraction format. Bless you. So let's do it here. Let's do it here. Costello's capital. And what is Costello receives? Costello receives 100,000. I love to write a little detail, but when you feel expert, you should be fine. But don't just write down the numbers, especially to get credits on your exam. Write, at least level the numbers. Bless you. So bonus, we know is the difference. $10,000. So bonus to Costello, right? So Costello is receiving bonus. So who's gonna pay bonus? Allen and Barnes. Now, how are we gonna allocate this bonus? How much Allen will pay? How much Barnes will pay? Remember, they have an old ratio, right? I'll show you here. I'm writing A, B, C. Allen, Barnes, Costello. And the old ratios were Allen is 20, it's actually 20%, Barnes was 30%, Costello was 50%. These were the old ratios. Right. Now, Costello is gone. So we need to redefine the ratio. Redefine the ratio between these two guys. And I mentioned you will make a fraction. Add these two numbers, which will be the denominator, and the old numbers will be the numerator. Because if we redefine the ratio, or whatever the ratio, we have to make sure it adds up to 100%. If it's a fraction, it adds up to 1. Right, if we allocate this $10,000 based on the old numbers like 20, 30, we will be allocating only half of this. So we need to redefine it. How we can redefine? We have to add this 2 and 3, that will be the denominator, and the old ratio will be the numerator. That means the redefined fraction, Allen will bear 2/5 and Barnes will bear 3/5. This is how we can distribute it. Now if you add up, you will see it's the whole ratio, 100% or 1, the fraction. add up to 1, that means we'll distribute the whole thing. Now let's see the little table, and also we'll see the journal entries. I'll do 3 columns. One is for Allen, Barnes, and Costello. Right. So now, what was the beginning capital before anyone decided to leave? Beginning capital balance. So Allen had 60,000, Barnes had 30, Costello had 90. Right. So now, when Costello is leaving, Costello really wants to get $100,000. That means he's getting this 10,000 extra bonus, which is paid to Costello. So the bonus will be paid by Allen and Barnes. So that means we can show the numbers here. Bonus to Costello. So Allen will bear how much? Take 2/5 of $10,000. How much? 4,000. Since they are paying to Costello, we need to subtract that. Barnes will bear 3/5 of $10,000, which is 6,000. So these two guys are paying in total $10,000 to Costello. So Costello is getting this bonus. So after doing these adjustments, you will see the capital balances. Right, so the capital balances, after doing the adjustments, ending capital balance, this is 56,000, this is 24,000, and Costello is 100,000. Now we will do the treatment or the entry for Costello.